Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be taking a little 50 out, spinning it on the block. Don't mind a bump. You know how that acne be. We gotta put some gas in it. Last time I rode this mother. Oh, you can't even see. Man. Get it. Yeah, man. Won't fill up right quick. That means nice and full tank. Just crank it up. Turn the gas on, man. Look like it's ready to rain and shit. Damn. Ain't this always some bull? Bull. See how many kicks I gotta do. Okay. That's two. Let me get a little gas. I mean, it already looked like it won't rain, but I'ma still come out a little bit. You know, let it just sit right there. Let it warm up a little bit, you know, shit like that. Don't say nothing about my bump though, y'all. Try and get it to go down, man. Relax. A lot of y'all, I just seen this. I gotta get a new air filter on that joint. Let's get in traffic. Just letting y'all know right now. You know? Oh, you gotta keep the engine off. If you ain't got no engine, you crazy. Nothing too crazy. What the fuck now? I ain't got no brakes, y'all. Look, I'm not ready to bust my head, but I ain't gonna lie. I gotta go put up. It's a little wet. Oh. That shit be hurt. Bitch almost threw a nigga like Hail Murray. That shit got scary. Fucking started raining. This couldn't stay out long as I wanted. Y'all see it started raining, but I had a good time. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, you know. Turn them post notifications on. We going out.